Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin on PayPal. So I'm going to show you exactly how to send Bitcoin on PayPal step by step. Whether you're sending Bitcoin to a friend, transferring it to your own crypto wallet, or moving it to another supported platform, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. So if you're new to cryptocurrency, don't worry. I'll explain each step in a simple, beginner friendly way and point out a few common mistakes to avoid. So let's get started. Step 1, you need to open the PayPal application or website. Begin by opening the PayPal application on your mobile device or visiting the PayPal website using your preferred web browser. Sign in using your email address and password. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process before continuing. Once you're signed in, you will be taken to your PayPal home screen. Now, step 2, go to the crypto section. So, if this feature is available in your country, then you should see the crypto section within your PayPal platform. On the home screen, locate the section labeled crypto, cryptocurrency, or finances, depending on your version of PayPal. Tap or click this section to view your cryptocurrency portfolio. You will see the cryptocurrencies you currently own, along with their balances and current market values. Select Bitcoin to continue. Step 3. Make sure you have Bitcoin available. Before sending Bitcoin, verify that you have enough available in your account. So, your Bitcoin page will display the following, such as your Bitcoin balance, current market value, recent transaction. So, if you don't own Bitcoin yet, you will need to purchase some before you can send it. Basically, you need to have enough balance on your PayPal Bitcoin account. Also, remember that you'll need enough Bitcoin to cover both the amount you're sending and any applicable blockchain network fees. So, when you send, there is this network fee. So, you have to basically make sure that you have enough balance for your amount to send and also the network fee. Step 4, you have to select the send option. So basically there, on the Bitcoin page, you need to tap or click send. This opens the Bitcoin transfer screen. If you're sending Bitcoin for the first time, PayPal may display a few security reminders. So, explaining that cryptocurrency transactions are generally irreversible. So, you have to read this carefully and review and recheck before continuing. Now, step 5, identity verification if needed. If required, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity before allowing cryptocurrency transfers. Basically, this include the confirming of your personal information, uploading a government issued ID, verifying your phone number, and completing additional security checks. So, once your identity has been verified, return to the Send Bitcoin screen. Step 6, enter the recipient's wallet address. Next, you will need the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Open the wallet or exchange where you're sending the Bitcoin and copy its Bitcoin receiving address. So if you don't know, most Bitcoin addresses begin with BC1, 3, 1, and then return to PayPal and paste the address into the wallet address field. Now, if you are using smartphone, you have to, or you may also have the option to scan the recipient's QR code instead. So this way it would be easier. Step 7, you have to double check the wallet address. So this is one of the most important steps. You have to take a few moments to verify the wallet address. You need to compare the first several characters, the last several characters, with the address shown in the destination wallet. Even a single incorrect character can send your Bitcoin to the wrong wallet, and cryptocurrency transactions usually cannot be reversed. So always double check before moving on. Step 8, enter the amount of Bitcoin to send. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to transfer. Depending on your PayPal interface, you may be able to enter the following, such as a Bitcoin amount, a dollar amount, or your local currency equivalent. As you type, PayPal automatically calculates the conversion. So review the amount carefully before continuing. Step 9. Review the transaction details. Before sending your Bitcoin, PayPal will display a transaction summary. This usually includes recipient wallet address, Bitcoin amount, estimated network fee, total Bitcoin being deducted, estimated delivery information. So you have to review carefully or everything carefully. If you notice any mistakes, you can go back and correct them before confirming. Now, step 10, confirm the Bitcoin transfer. So, if everything looks correct, tap continue, review, or send now, depending on your device. So, PayPal may ask you to confirm the transactions such as the Face ID, fingerprint authentication, password, security code. You have to basically complete the verification process. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin transfer will be submitted to the Bitcoin blockchain. Step 11, you have to wait for blockchain confirmations. So after sending, the transaction may initially show as pending, processing, and waiting confirmation. After that, verify the transaction. You can monitor your transaction directly within PayPal. Open your Bitcoin transaction history to view its status. So basically, you just have to avoid any common mistakes. So always double check, never send Bitcoin to a wallet designed for another cryptocurrency. And as you've seen, the process is straightforward. Sign into your PayPal account, open your Bitcoin portfolio, choose to send, enter the recipient's wallet address, review the transaction details carefully, and confirm the transfer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.